Welcome to our lesson on descriptive words. Today, we'll be looking at how to replace common adjectives with more descriptive words. For example, instead of saying very wet, you could say soaking. This word paints a clearer picture of the situation. Another example is very calm. You could use tranquil instead, which suggests a peaceful and serene environment. Similarly, instead of very weak, you could say feeble. This word conveys a sense of fragility or lack of strength. For very bright, you could use blinding. This word implies a level of brightness that is almost too intense to look at. Instead of very hot, you could use scorching. This word suggests extreme heat, making it a more descriptive option. Finally, for very cold, you could use freezing. This word conveys a sense of extreme coldness, making it a more descriptive option. Now, do you know the answer for very afraid? If you do, leave your answer in the comments below.